Today I'm going to show you a super simple trick to transfer SharePoint data from one list to another, including image, entirely within PowerApps. Before we dive into the app build, let's set up the foundation. Start by creating a new SharePoint list by duplicating your existing one. To ensure our data transfer will work, the columns in both lists, old and new, must match exactly. That means column names, types, and structure should be the same. This alignment allows PowerApps to send records without any issues or mismatches. Once that's done, we're ready to start building our SharePoint List Copy app. Let's build our SharePoint List Copy app from scratch. Before we start, let's connect our PowerApps app to both the original and new SharePoint lists. This ensures we can read from the old list and write seamlessly to the new one throughout the app. Let's now proceed to step 1. Create one horizontal container and add 3 vertical containers side by side inside it. Step 2. Display the original SharePoint data. In the left container, insert a gallery to show items from your old SharePoint list. Add a button below it and name it Collect Data. In the OnSelect property of this button, enter the formula. Clear Collect, open parenthesis, Inspection List, show columns, open parenthesis, Inspection List, item number, observation, photo 1, assessment, double close parenthesis. This stores data locally in PowerApps from your original SharePoint list. Step 3. Show the collected data. In the middle container, insert another gallery to display Inspection List. Hit the play button and tap Collect Data. Boom! You've got a snapshot of your SharePoint records ready for transfer. Step 4. Send to the new SharePoint list. Add another button below the middle gallery and name it Send to New SharePoint List. Why are we collecting again before sending? That's to make sure the image maintains its large size. First, let's collect our collection data using the For All function. Inside the OnSelect of this button, enter the following. For all, gallery 1 at all items. Collect, Nuclear Inspection List. Item number, observation, assessment, photo 1 will have a different approach. We will collect it directly from the image control. First, let's click the image in our local data gallery and change its size to large. This way, our image will have a large size. Then type photo 1, image2.image. Image 2 is the name of our image in the local data gallery. Step 5. Patch the data. Now let's send the collected data to the new SharePoint list. Still in the same buttons OnSelect, add, Patch, Inspection List New, Show Columns, Nuclear Inspection List, Assessment, Item Number, Observation, Photo 1. Inspection, New, is our new SharePoint list data, and New Inspection List is our second collection data. Last, we should add Clear, Nuclear Inspection List. The Clear command ensures you won't send duplicate entries next time you press the button. Next, we add a new vertical gallery to the final container so it can display data from the new SharePoint list. This lets us visually confirm that the list is connected and loading as expected. Final step, test it out. Run your app, press the button, and check your new SharePoint list. Your data, including large-size images, should now be copied successfully. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or want to learn more tricks with PowerApps.